Thank you, Best EA Collecting Arcalus Omegas, Matthew Lawrence. Working with the turkey vultures and doing my rituals. Right now. It's kind of cold and it's raining and it's very windy. But they're still helping. Hi guys! They keep inching closer and closer. Hi! I asked my legions to come, and they are. As you see over in the corner, they're coming. They keep just popping up, the turkey vultures do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is awesome! Yes, I am just popping and asking turkey vultures just to fly out of the air. Yeah, kinda like that. When I ask my legions to come, they literally do, in turkey vulture form, which can also be entities and your guardians that you work with. Best EA Collecting Arcalus Omegas, Matthew Lawrence. Thank you, my legion is coming. You rock. Thank you. This is a flock of turkey vultures, which is called bird ottery. That's a lot of turkey vultures. And there's the big man himself, Best EA Collecting Arcalus Omegas, Matthew Lawrence. Today is October 25th. It's my anniversary. Thank you. Hi there. Aw. Thank you. So beautiful. Thank you, Best EA Collecting Arcalus Omegas, Matthew Lawrence. Thank you, Frank White, Bestie sir.